Good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past question 36. Performance appraisal of all staff in an organization is the function of dash departments. A. Accounts department, B. Legal, C. Personnel, D. Purchasing, and E. Sales. Now, if you know, in an organization, we have several departments in this organization, and each of these departments has their own major role. Now, the question says performance appraisal of all staff in an organization is a function of which department? Now, A here says accounts department. Now, accounts departments are concerned with what? They are concerned with all financial transactions, in the organization. Now, B says what? Legal department. Now, legal department handles all legal matters. They are concerned with all what? Legal matters. That is filing of suits or settling of legal matters or cases between any organizations. Legal matters that concern the organization. That's the function of the legal department. Now, C says what? Personnel department. Now, personnel department is the department in charge of recruiting. They're in charge of recruiting, training, promotion, and dismissal of employee in an organization, and it's also what take charge of all staff matters. So the personnel department are those that take charge. Their sole responsibility is to take charge of all staff matters, be it recruitment, be it training, be it promotion or dismissal. It is the function of the personnel department. Now, this is purchasing department. Purchasing departments are just concerned with the buying of raw materials required for by the organization. So they don't purchase the raw materials, stationery, equipment for the organization. Then sale department. Sale department is solely concerned for the sale and distribution of products to the different regions. So that is the job of the sale department to different regions. Now, the question says performance appraisal of all staff in an organization is a function of dash department. Now, remember I told you that personnel department is concerned with all staff matters. So everything regarding to staff, any staff matter at all in an organization is the job or the duty of the personnel department. So they are responsible for the recruiting, the training, the promotion, dismissal of staffs or employee. So therefore, performance appraisal of staff is the function of the personnel department, and that is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.